The 1969 Pontiac GTO Judge is the muscle car that defined an era. Bold, brash, unapologetic. A car that walked into any room and demanded attention with wild graphics, ram air power, an attitude that made everything else look timid. Pontiac named it after a laugh-in catchphrase, painted it in colors that screamed from across parking lots, and backed up every inch of visual aggression with performance that delivered. Today, clean documented judges command $80,000 to $150,000 at major auctions, and the collector community treats them with reverence normally reserved for Italian exotics. But here's the truth nobody selling you a Judge will ever admit. Owning one is a psychological and financial ordeal that tests even the most passionate collectors. The documentation wars are brutal. The counterfeiting is rampant. The parts situation is deteriorating, and the community scrutiny is absolutely relentless. Before we expose this uncomfortable reality, hit that subscribe button because Garage History is about to reveal the dark side of owning the most flamboyant Pontiac ever built. The Clone War Nightmare. Let's start with the problem that defines the Judge market. The cloning epidemic so extreme that serious collectors openly admit they don't trust it anymore. Pontiac built 6,725 GTO Judges in 1969, which sounds reasonable until you understand the value differential that makes cloning irresistible. A regular 1969 GTO is worth $35,000 to $50,000. Add the Judge package and that same car becomes $80,000 to $150,000. That gap, sometimes $100,000 or more, is pure profit for fraudsters. And the Judge package was essentially cosmetic. Wide stripes, rear spoiler, Judge decals, blacked out tail panel, all sourceable, reproducible, and installable on a regular GTO in a weekend. Professional fraudsters go further, sourcing correct ram air engines with matching date codes, fabricating broadcast sheets on period-correct IBM cardstock, and exploiting Pontiac's notoriously incomplete factory records. Because GM's documentation from this era has enough gaps that proving a car wasn't a Judge is often as difficult as proving it was. Pontiac historians estimate genuine Judges are outnumbered by clones 3 to 1 in today's market. That means for every real Judge you examine, 3 fakes are waiting to take your money. And the engine situation creates a separate nightmare layered on top of the cloning crisis. Ram Air 4 Judges are worth $30,000 to $50,000 more than Ram Air 3 cars, creating massive incentive for engine fraud that has infected the market completely. Fraudsters source correct Ram Air 4 blocks with legitimate casting numbers, install correct heads from parts cars, add correct intake manifolds and date-coded carburetors, then have the engine pad re-stamped with VIN-derived numbers matching the target car. The result passes visual inspection by most appraisers. Proving authenticity beyond visual inspection requires metallurgical analysis costing $2,000 to $5,000, and even that produces results disputed by competing experts. And here's the most devastating part. Even a genuine Ram Air 4 Judge has an engine extraordinarily stressed from 55 years of hard use. Proper rebuilding using correct components costs $15,000 to $25,000 from the handful of shops with genuine Pontiac Ram Air expertise. So whether you're fighting fraud or fighting wear, the Ram Air engine will drain you either way. The restoration cost reality. Think you can buy a Project Judge and restore it profitably? The GTO Judge will destroy that fantasy with breathtaking speed. Restoration costs have reached levels that make financial recovery nearly impossible in current market conditions. Finding an authentic Judge in restorable condition now costs $40,000 to $70,000 as a starting point before a single wrench is turned. Correct Pontiac 400 Ram Air components in documented, date-correct form cost multiples of comparable Chevy or Mopar parts, because Pontiac-specific pieces never develop deep aftermarket support. The Judge's cosmetic components, correct spoiler, correct stripe kit, correct decals, correct blacked-out tail treatment, require either expensive originals or top-quality reproductions needing expert installation to look right. Labor from shops with genuine GTO expertise costs $130 to $170 per hour, and a comprehensive restoration takes 1,000 to 1,500 hours. Total realistic budget? That many owners eventually withdraw entirely rather than face constant pressure. The GTO community is filled with extraordinarily knowledgeable enthusiasts who've spent decades studying every production detail. And they apply that knowledge with precision that borders on aggressive when it comes to Judge authentication. Carburetor date codes must fall within specific ranges for your car's production date. Alternator casting numbers must match correct specifications. Even bolts are scrutinized. Wrong head markings on fasteners can trigger authenticity questions that cascade into full investigation. The online community maintains detailed records of every publicly questioned car, creating a permanent database of disputed vehicles that buyers research before purchasing. If your car appears in this database, even based on incorrect information, the stigma is nearly impossible to remove. Sellers have spent thousands commissioning independent authentication reports, trying to clear their cars' names after public challenges. Some never fully recover market value regardless of how definitively authenticity is established. The financial exposure nightmare. Here's what keeps every Judge owner staring at the ceiling at 3 in the morning. The crushing financial exposure of owning a 6-figure asset in a thin, volatile market with zero downside protection. Economic downturns destroy collector car values. The 2008 financial crisis crushed muscle car prices by 40 to 60% virtually overnight. A similar event today would turn your $120,000 Judge into a $60,000 car with no recovery timeline. Generational taste shifts threaten the entire baby boomer-dominated muscle car market. As the generation that grew up with these cars ages out of active collecting, demand could drop significantly if younger collectors don't embrace the same emotional connection to 1960s Pontiacs. And the carrying costs compound the stress continuously. Agreed value insurance on a $120,000 Judge costs $25,000 to $4,000 annually. Climate-controlled storage runs $200 to $400 monthly. Annual maintenance by qualified Pontiac specialists costs $1,500 to $3,000 minimum. That's $8,000 to $12,000 per year in ownership costs before spending a single dollar on repairs. Own a Judge for 10 years and you've spent $80,000 to $120,000 just keeping it alive, regardless of whether appreciation justifies the investment. And that's the terrifying truth about owning a 1969 Pontiac GTO Judge. From Clone War nightmares to Ram Air authentication terror, from restoration money pits to community scrutiny that never ends, this dream car carries burdens that test even the most experienced collectors. If this reality check changed how you see Judge ownership, smash that like button and drop a comment. Does the dark side scare you away, or does the legend still burn strong enough to make every challenge worth it? And if you want more honest truth about collector cars, more reality behind the myths, and more stories exposing what auction houses hide, hit subscribe and turn on notifications, because garage history tells the truth, nobody else will. Thanks for watching, and remember, the most iconic cars carry the heaviest burdens. Research obsessively, verify everything, and never let passion override judgment. Until next time, stay informed and keep the history real.